So as reported by the Gleaner Sports today, the parish affairs are awaiting word on Captain's Bakery sponsorship, basically saying that now that the captain is gone, if the new management of the Captain's Bakery will continue the sponsorship of the parish associations. But them people are not easy. You all cannot be that stupid. Let me spell it out for you. You're not getting no more sponsorship from the Captain's Bakery. The captain is not around anymore. He will no longer be running for the JFF president, so he will not need your votes anymore. You all should go and seek your sponsorship elsewhere. All you parish associations who voted en bloc for Michael Ricketts, who are asking you president to start up a bulla business to replace the captain's bread business and replace the Captain's Bakery sponsorship with the Ricketts bulla sponsorship. But you know, big and serious, all of Jamaica rate and respect the work of Captain Burrell when it comes to Jamaica's football. His legacy speaks for itself. But the Maverick don't beat around the bush or skirt around the issues. Not only do we know why the captain sponsored all those parish associations, but in tandem with those sponsorships, we also know why the election rules were changed to leave the election of the JFF president solely in the hands of the parish association presidents. It was strategically done to keep the captain in office for life. And that was mission accomplished. Because football was so desperate for sponsorship and no one was challenging the captain for the presidency. It was not a big issue. But maybe it's time we revisit that JFF constitution. But in the meantime, may I beg the parish association presidents who take your mind off of the Captain Bakery as sponsors. If it's Captain's Bakery who are depend on for sponsorship, dog, no, I'm not going to say it. I was going to say, dog, I'm going to supper, but the dog don't eat yet. He don't eat yet. He